when something is good and it is comparable, and if it is cheaper, then I feel compelled to tell you so and be honest with you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review of the Tymo Airhype Lite hairdryer. Now, my Dyson hairdryer broke a couple of weeks ago. Tymo reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review their hairdryer, and looking into it, they said that it is comparable to the Dyson, and I wasn't about to go and purchase another Dyson hairdryer, especially since I just paid $500 for the Dyson Airstraight, so I did not want to purchase another one. But I do love the Dyson hairdryer. It is one of my favorite. It really keeps my hair nice and healthy, and that's really important to me. So I was in the market to search for a dupe to the Dyson hairdryer. I just did my hair with this device and I have a lot of thoughts about it. So if you guys are also in the market for a new hairdryer and do not want to pay over $400 for a Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, then please continue watching. I'm starting off with an unboxing. I also have two additional attachments, the diffuser as well as the comb nozzle. The Airhype Lite does include one attachment, otherwise the others are sold separately. I do love the design of this hairdryer, especially how slim and how much lighter it is. Unlike the Dyson hairdryer that retails for over $400, the Tymo retails for under $100. Now that is a price that you cannot beat, and they are constantly having sales, so that brings it down even further. The attachments are also magnetic, just like the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. Here I have the hair diffuser, which is the perfect attachment for those that have curly or wavy hair. I felt that it was the perfect size, and it also offers a unique adjustable prong system that I personally haven't seen with any other hair diffuser. This allows you to tailor your hair drying, so raising the prongs will allow the air to reach the root for volumizing, or you can put the prongs down for curl drying. I also have the comb nozzle, which is perfect for those that have naturally textured or curly hair. This is great to detangle hair as well as stretch and lengthen for smoother styles. It also won't damage or break hair and is effective against frizz. I just washed my hair and I am about to dry it using the Tymo hairdryer. I love that this comes with a Velcro, so it keeps the entire hairdryer nice and neat. And one thing that I do love about this hairdryer as opposed to the Dyson is that it doesn't have that big bulky type of pack that usually comes with. Let me show you. With the Dyson, you can see here it is so bulky. It kind of looks like a hose in a way. And this one is so thin. So that's one thing that is a positive about the Tymo hairdryer as opposed to the Dyson. The hairdryer comes with 4 heat settings, one for room temperature, and then low, medium, and high. And it also has 3 air speeds that include low, medium, and high. I always start by rough drying my hair so that it is about 80% dry. And at first use, I noticed just how powerful this hairdryer is. For being so small, it does not lack power at all. I really love using the concentrator attachment for my bangs, and I also normally use a flat brush to kind of just smooth my hair out. This hairdryer really is so powerful, and as you can see, my hair looks really shiny. So this is my hair all dried and extremely shiny. I really love the shine that this gives. It feels really soft and just bouncy hair. I dried my hair in under 10 minutes, so much like the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, pretty much the same thing. So I definitely do feel that this is a dupe for the Dyson. So I am just going to go ahead and apply some Moroccan oil into my hair. I usually like to do this just to keep that shine and hydration. I always do this as the last step whenever I dry my hair. Let's really compare both of them head to head. Now, design-wise, I think they are definitely comparable. This one is actually much more sleeker than the Dyson. The Dyson does look very bulky next to it. Now, I do like the fact that Dyson has these fun colors. So even though this one has a little bit of red kind of on the interior, but once you kind of apply your attachment, you don't see it anymore. I think it would be really cute if they implement some color into their devices, but you never know, in the future they might do so. Otherwise, I do love the fact that the attachments are magnetic, just like the Dyson. I feel like that part is so easy and convenient because you can just go ahead and remove it and apply the attachment. So easy. It's been 2 weeks since I initially used this hairdryer, and I really wanted to give myself some time with the hairdryer, kind of use it on a daily basis. I do wash my hair every day, even though my hairdresser tells me that I shouldn't do so, but I always have, and I feel like my hair is just perfectly fine with doing so. So I do use a hairdryer every day, especially because I have bangs, so I do have to dry them so that I get that look that I want. With initial use, any hairdryer can be great, but really it's the longevity, whether or not your hair over time while using this hairdryer is going to cause kind of breakage or dryness. That's where really the test comes in. So I have been using this for 2 weeks now, and my hair has been looking great. It still looks very shiny. It is not dry in any way. I do use good quality products in my hair, but even with that, if you are using the wrong hair dryer, it can go very wrong and it can really damage your hair. But the Tymo has not damaged my hair in any way, and honestly, I even think it's actually better than the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. Why I say it's better is because I have noticed that my hair dries much faster with the Tymo than it did with the Supersonic, and it's crazy to kind of find that out, because I initially thought the Dyson was everything. It dried my hair so quickly, nothing was like it, but Tymo definitely proved that wrong. My favorite attachment would have to be this one. This is what I've been using most to kind of do my bangs and also for the rest of my hair. But if you have curly hair, I think you will love the diffuser as well. I love how compact it is. I will be traveling in about a month, and I am going to take this with me. And initially, when my Supersonic hairdryer kind of stopped working, I was thinking about purchasing another one just because I love it so much, and it really has done some great things to my hair, even though it only lasted for 5 years. But now that I have this Tymo, I don't think I will. I am going to keep this. This is going to be my main hair dryer. If you already have the Dyson Airspray or the Airwrap and you're really thinking that you just want a hair dryer, then I would honestly just purchase the Tymo. It's a lot cheaper. It works the same, if not better. It's a lot more compact. It looks really nice, and it's really small in the sense that I just really put this in my drawer. With the Supersonic hairdryer, because it was so chunky, especially the cord, I wasn't able to put this in my drawer. This one goes easily in my drawer, kind of out of sight, and it's just been so easy, and I've really been loving it. Even though Tymo did send this hairdryer so that I can try it, I want to say that I have been 100% honest with you on how much I really have been loving this hairdryer. I will never lead you wrong and just tell you a product is good just because a company sent it to me. This is my honest review. I honestly do believe that this is very equivalent to the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, and if you guys watch my channel, you know how much I do love Dyson products, but when something is good, and it is comparable, and if it is cheaper, then I feel compelled to tell you so and be honest with you. I do want to thank Tymo for sending me this hair dryer. I wouldn't have tried it otherwise. I would have been skeptic of the price, but I am glad that I tried it. And for those of you that have been wanting a really good hair dryer for a really good price, then I'm glad I was able to review this and bring it to you, because this really is a good hair dryer. And that is my review of the Tymo hair dryer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really enjoy bringing you new devices, especially if it is going to save you some money and still work very well and very much similar to the higher end products. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, want more of these kind of reviews, definitely let me know in the comment below, and I will be sure to bring some more to you. But otherwise, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.